many
plants
and animals in the sea. Some of them are fish, turtles, and many strange animals. And the animals in the largest from all them are
read loudly, Rehan. Loudly.